In this video, we will discuss about the historical transformation from feudalism to capitalism.
Transition from feudalism to capitalism.
Introduction.
The transition from feudalism to capitalism marks a fundamental transformation in the economic and social structure of Europe between the late medieval and early modern periods. Feudalism was based on land ownership, subsistence agriculture, and personal obligations, whereas capitalism is characterized by private property, wage labor, market exchange, and profit motive. This transition was gradual and driven by multiple interconnected factors. Feudal system, starting point.
Under feudalism, land was the main source of wealth. Society was divided into lords, vassals, and serfs. Production was mainly for subsistence, not for the market. The manorial system dominated, where peasants worked on the lord's land in exchange for protection. However, this system began to weaken due to economic and technological changes. Technological changes. Innovations such as the heavy plow, horse collar, and three-field system improved agricultural efficiency. These developments increased productivity and reduced dependence on traditional feudal methods.
Surplus production became possible, which was crucial for economic transformation. Increase in agricultural production. Improved techniques led to higher agricultural output. Surplus production allowed peasants to sell goods in markets, rather than just consume them. This shift gradually weakened the self-sufficient nature of feudal estates. Expansion of long-distance trade. Growth in trade routes, e.g., Europe or Asia trade, increased the exchange of goods. The rise of merchants and trading networks led to the development of a money economy. Trade encouraged specialization and production for profit. Development of urban centers. Trade expansion led to the growth of towns and cities. Urban areas became centers of commerce, craft production, and innovation. A new class of merchants and artisans emerged, weakening feudal rural dominance. The putting out system. Also known as the domestic system, merchants supplied raw materials to rural workers. Workers produced goods at home and returned them to merchants for sale. This system increased production for markets, reduced reliance on guilds, encouraged early capitalist organization of labor. Rise of the capitalist class, bourgeoisie. Merchants and traders accumulated wealth through commerce. They invested in production and trade, gradually becoming the capitalist class. Their economic power began to challenge the traditional feudal aristocracy. Decline of the manorial system. With the growth of trade and markets, the manorial system lost importance. Serfs gradually gained freedom and became tenant farmers or wage laborers. Feudal obligations weakened, and monetary rents replaced labor services. Creation of a working class, proletariat. Displaced peasants moved to towns in search of work. They became wage laborers, selling their labor for income. This marked the emergence of a labor market, a key feature of capitalism. Other contributing factors. Population growth increased demand for goods. Discovery of new lands expanded trade and markets. Political changes reduced feudal power and strengthened centralized states. Monetization of the economy replaced barter systems. Conclusion. The transition from feudalism to capitalism was not sudden but a gradual and complex process involving technological progress, agricultural surplus, trade expansion, urbanization, and social change. These factors collectively led to the decline of feudal relations and the emergence of a market-based capitalist economy characterized by private ownership, wage labor, and profit-driven production. If you find this video helpful, feel free to subscribe. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.